4th annual tree trimming party. The organization is missioned with introducing young women to healthcare careers through life skills workshops, community service, mentoring, and they also do community service, domestic as well as international opportunities. So
most impacting me is when I Christmas carol for the first time in the senior citizen home.
That's what this program is about. It is putting these kids in situations that they wouldn't typically be in and encouraging them and letting them know that somebody believes in them. And our core values are hearts, healthy relationships, empowering youth, academic achievement, responsibility, and investing time, talent, treasure. So this year's award recipients are Shariel Garrett and Jasmine Davis. They had no idea I was going to do this because our goal is to send these kids away to college. Our goal is to make these kids world changers. So when they go to South Africa, when they go to Haiti, they take you with them.
Our award winner tonight is Dr. Campbell Scott.
Thank you all for this prestigious award. So my word to you is, if you have a dream, it's never too late.
Right.
Pursue your dream. Keep your dream. Write the vision. Make it plain. And you surely will be able to accomplish. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
So we find a different organization every month to give back to. Mabel is a good friend, but also an excellent candidate of what we do. And so Joanie Girls Heart is a beautiful organization. And as you can see with the beautiful people that came out tonight, she has support, but she also has a support system with us. And we're honored to be a part of it, so thank you very much.
When you look at a child, see what they can become, not what they have been.